Life hacks I only learned after living most of my life. 1. Flip a cake tong upside down when cutting cake. This way the slices are neat and even. 2. When two bowls are stuck together and hard to separate, gently tap the inner bowl with a spoon. They'll come apart quickly. 3. If you have too many bowls and they're hard to store, try this method. Use a plate, stack the bowls on it, then bend a ring around them by hand to secure. Really practical. Give it a try too. 4. Took me half my life to realize that hole in the sink is meant for dish soap. All those years wasted. 5. A trick I learned from a cleaning lady. Twist the wrist part of disposable gloves before use. Like this, creating a seal. Great for hand masks or chores. Won't fall off easily. 6. Am I the last person to learn this? Insert a spoon upside down into a bottle's mouth. Nothing will spill anymore. 7. Too much oil in your hot pot? Put some ice cubes in a ladle. Stir it in the soup briefly. The oil will cool and stick to the ladle. 8. Accidentally made porridge instead of rice? Place a slice of bread on top and heat for 2 minutes. The bread will absorb the excess water. 9. Spilled too much salt in your soup? Add a peeled potato and let it boil a while. It will absorb the excess salt. 10. Hard to remove eggshell bits from egg liquid? Here's a trick. Dip your finger in water and touch the shell. It'll come right out easily. 11. Want a cold drink fast? Wrap the bottle with a wet paper towel. Then refrigerate it. It cools much faster than unwrapped. 12. Mosquito coils break easily when separated. Here's a trick. Gently hold both ends. Tap it lightly on the table. Then pull the ends apart. They separate perfectly. 13. Most people yank socks apart, but look closely. There's a long thread left by the manufacturer. Just pull gently to separate. 14. Pouring milk with the spout downwards. Air can't flow in easily, so it often splashes. Flip the milk carton. Pour with the opening on top. It flows smoothly. 15. Is your phone speaker getting quieter? It's likely clogged with dirt. A chewed gum can fix it. Stick it on the speaker opening. Press it a few times. Dirt will stick to the gum when you remove it. 16. Grandma Wang next door told me, hang clothes with 2 crossed hangers. Even strong wind won't blow them away. 17. Can't finish a pack of medicine? Snip both sides of the packet, then fold it a few times. 2 to 3 folds will do. Slide the cutoff piece over the top. Voila! Sealed tight. 18. Here's how to remove a jujube pit in 1 second. Use a common steamer basket. Push a chopstick straight through the fruit. Quick and efficient. 19. Attach a mask to the back of a hairdryer. Then cover it with half a plastic bottle to make a mini vacuum. Dust and debris are sucked up easily. 20. Bought a giant watermelon you can't finish? Don't just throw it in the fridge. It can absorb odors and breed bacteria. Place a garlic clove on each side of the cut melon. Cover the garlic with plastic wrap. This inhibits bacterial growth. Then refrigerate the melon. It stays fresh for days. 21. Dropped your phone in water. Here's what to do. First, wipe it dry with tissue. Don't press any buttons. Don't plug in a charger. Don't use a hairdryer. Place it in a bowl of rice overnight. It should work the next day. 22. Cut off the top half of a plastic bottle. Poke a hole in the cap. Insert a straw. Place a bag over the top. Hold it against a hairdryer's back. Turn it on to create a vacuum seal. Follow me for more practical daily life hacks.